Unity globally. PU. It's me, MasterLeeMochow. Why do people not care if they're breathing poisonous air, getting injected with mercury, drinking poison, don't you see? I tried to educate thee. You must open up your mind, open up your heart, open up your very soul. It's getting dark on this planet, don't you see? The Illuminati, the beast, baby. They're getting bigger, getting bolder, getting stronger. Every day, every hour, every second, don't you understand me? If you don't resist them, you will be subjugated to their will, to their very whims, my friend. Don't you understand? Don't you see, my friend? It's time for unity globally. PU, baby, it's me, MasterLeeMochow, in the wilderness sea, trying to break through to you and you and you too, so we can be united, fool. Take back this planet, see, from these Illuminati hypocrites. Their lies don't apply to them, it only applies to us, the little people, I guess. The little people, I guess. You, the people. Now, should I call you a sheeple? Bad, you're the people. Don't you understand your power, my friend? Don't you see we can overcome this dumb? We can win, we can really win this war for terror. Oh yes, once more we can win, we can have victory if you just unite with me. Unite, then fight these fools. Luciferians, right? It's up to you. It's up to me. Unity globally for all of humanity. It's more than just a slogan. It's more than just a saying. It's reality, my friend. It's reality that we have a shot to win. Unite tonight. Unite tonight.